Court dismisses federal government objection as Nnamdi Kanu scores major win in Abuja court. Today in Abuja, something very important happened in the long and emotional trial of the IPOB leader, Nnamdi Kanu. And my people, this is one of those court moments that quietly changes everything. The courtroom was calm at first, but the tension inside that court was heavy. Like everyone knew something serious was coming. Lawyers were moving around with files. Security officers were at alert, and supporters stood outside waiting for any updates. When the case was called, the federal government-led counsel, Adeboyenga Awomolo's son, rose to speak. He made a strong claim. He told the court that the documents filed by Nnamdi Kanu's legal team were not valid. He said they were not properly endorsed, not signed correctly, not certified, and should not be used as real evidence. According to him, the documents carried no legal weight at all. The federal government asked the judge to strike them out completely. Awomolo also asked the court to allow him to adopt his final written address and move straight to the next stage, which is judgment. But Nnamdi Kanu's lawyers, led by his defense team, immediately objected. They insisted the documents were properly filed. They explained that the papers were signed, stamped, and submitted according to the rules of the Federal High Court. They also showed proof of payment to confirm everything was done correctly. Now, the whole courtroom waited for the judge's decision. Supporters held their breath. The journalists in the gallery leaned forward. Even the lawyers became quiet. This is one of those moments where one sentence from the judge can change the mood of the entire courtroom. After carefully listening to both sides, the presiding judge gave the ruling, and the ruling was clear. The judge dismissed the federal government's objection. The court said the documents filed by the Nnamdi Kanu's team were valid, properly endorsed, properly filed, and properly paid for. Nothing was wrong with them. Immediately, the mood in the courtroom shifted. You could feel the relief from Kanu supporters and his legal team. This decision means that the defense can use all those documents to strengthen their argument and protect their clients. This ruling is not a small thing. It is a major step in the case that has dragged for years, attracted global attention, and raised so many questions about human rights, due process, and justice. It also added a new twist to the legal battle, especially as the judge earlier warned that the defense must be ready to move forward with their case. This new ruling now strengthens the defense and ensures their document remains part of the official court record. Outside the courtroom, supporters celebrated quietly. Some were smiling, some were thanking God, some were hugging one another. For them, it was a moment of hope, a sign that the court is listening and the process is still alive. Meanwhile, journalists captured every reaction, every statement, every move, because this case continues to be one of the most followed trials in Nigeria. Let's also remember the bigger picture. Nnamdi Kanu is still facing charges related to treasonable felony and other allegations. His health, his treatment in custody, and his right to fair trial have been international topics for months. But today's ruling, it gave the defense a major win, a win that could influence the direction of everything that comes next. As the next hearing approaches, all eyes will return to Abuja again. Will the defense open their case fully? Will the court accept more documents? Will this ruling affect the coming judgment date? Only time will tell. But today, November 7, 2025, will be remembered as a day the courts sided with proper procedure and gave the defense a fair chance. If you found this update helpful, please like this video, share it, and subscribe to our channel for more clear, truthful, and verified updates. Thank you for watching. Stay calm, stay safe, and stay updated.